Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on the Coinbase app with your debit card. Now step 1 is just open the Coinbase app in your mobile phone, and once you open it you will be at the home section of the application. So from this section you can just click on this buy and sell button, and once you click on this buy and sell button, so you will see all these options: buy, sell or convert. So just click on the first option. In our case we are buying, so just click on buy, and once you click on buy, so you will see this section like select assets to buy, like which currency do you want to buy. So you can select any other currency that you want. Now in our case, which is Bitcoin, so you can just select the Bitcoin in this section, recent buys, or you will see in the top assets, just scroll down and find the Bitcoin. And once you find the Bitcoin, just click on the Bitcoin, and from this section they will ask you like one time order and enter USD, like how much of amount do you want to buy the Bitcoin. So you make sure to enter the amount, and you are seeing that this is the our currency. And pay with, this is the wallet section, like what payment method do you want to use. So just click on pay with, and once you click on pay with, you will see all the available payment methods in this section. Now first one is USDC, USD wallet. Now this is the your bank, PayPal, Apple Pay, or in the other crypto form as well. Now from this section, in our case, we are using debit card. So you can just click on the add payment method. And once you click on add payment method, you can just add your bank account. As you can see, like this is the bank account, or you can just add the your debit card of any other bank as well. So just make sure to add the debit card information, and it will be added or listed into this section. So you can just choose the payment method, and once chosen, you can just enter the amount, like how much USD do you want to spend on buying the Bitcoin. And once you enter the amount, you can just click on review withdraw or review order, and click on review order. And once you click on review order, so as you can see, like you will be see the receiving amount as well, like this is the amount of Bitcoin that you will be receiving, and this is your like the payment method, you can say that, which in our case will be debit card. So you can just confirm all these details and click on buy now, and once you click on buy now, it will be bought in the Coinbase app with your debit card. Now that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.